It's another video with your boy Jamie, and today we're in St. Elizabeth at the Pelican bar. I'm gonna ask, Pelican, that's it. Check it out. Beach clean, food nice, energy right, water pretty like Jesus Christ. Check it out. Check out the Pelican bar. Do it now.
Cigarette company, them running rampant, the money now flow. I wanna rule my
What time? I mean, what temperature?
35.6 Celsius.
By the way, guys, not because it's called the Pelican bar, it means you can't get anything to eat. As you can see, fried fish and bami, and that's the thing there.
Right foot. Back. Gotta go back.
Right. All right, you gotta go.
Right.
Back.
Right foot.
Yeah.
Left foot.
All right, let's start. I'll go with mommy. You have to wear it. That's it. Alright. Alright, but I think so too.